Hey Pitmasters, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be making a delicious meat lover sandwich. And as always, the first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue. So we'll put in our Kamado Joe big block, light it up. So we're gonna put the grill grate back on. So I'm using this plancha, but of course you can use like a griddle or a skillet, something that's cast iron and that really can absorb the heat and provide it slowly, but also spreads out the heat. So we're just gonna wait for this to heat up and then we'll start our grilling. So this is about 5 grams of minced meat and we're going to put some Superlicious barbecue rub on that. Sprinkle maybe 5 tablespoons of that on. And this is going to be our flavor bomb in the recipe. And what we're looking for is this color. So I can see that some of the minced meat is still not covered with the rub. And I want to put a bit of extra rub on there. Yeah, that's looking better. I'm going to put on a little bit of olive oil. And you can see that the oil is starting to spread out. That means that the plancha is really hot right now. And that's exactly what we're looking for. So we'll start grilling with our minced beef. Just put it on the plancha. We just want to brown the beef and want to make sure we just keep separating it. We want the meat chunks to be as small as possible. So now that we have the right color in our meat, we wanted to take it off before it starts to turn dry. I have here some bacon, a little bit of ham and some chorizo. We're gonna chop that up and then we're gonna grill it. And now we're going to put this on the grill and let it render down. Our bacon is done, nice and crispy, so we're going to take it off the grill. Now it's time to put the ham on. Of course, I want a little bit of green on there. If you don't want to have it on there, that's fine with me. But I like a little bit of lettuce. So I'm taking out the bottom, remove the top 2 leaves. There we go. And this is just going to add that little crunch and freshness to our sandwich. So the ham is ready, the chorizo is ready, the bacon is ready, and we're going to put it back on the grill together with our minced meat. There we go. And now we're going to put the cheese on. I have here some Old Amsterdam. You can use cheddar, Gruyere, whatever you want, but you want to have a powerful cheese flavor. And also a little bit of mozzarella. I'm going to close the lid, let the cheese melt, and in the meantime we're going to prepare our sandwich. I'm using ciabatta, but you can use any sandwich that you want, as long as it's a little bit rustic and exciting. So I'm taking a sheet of baking paper, and I'm going to put my sandwich in, and then I'm spreading on a little bit of lettuce. Now we're going to check on the cheese to see if it's fully molten. Whoa. Wow. Well, if you're a meat lover, this is your sandwich for sure. The We're gonna put on some of this delicious cola sauce. Put the lid on. There we go. And that is your sandwich. Look at that. Is that a tasty sandwich or what? Well, I know this is gonna be a tasty sandwich, but of course, the proof is in eating it actually. So we're gonna give it a try. Well, this sandwich is absolutely delicious. If you're a big meat lover, then this is your sandwich. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out. And of course, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't checked out my Patreon page yet, go check it out. The link is down below or up in my channel. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Oh, and eet smakelijk.